family, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. I'm rustling. I'm working on this 10-pound bag of chicken legs that I purchased. I hauled it in my latest food prep, one of my videos, my Kroger haul, and this is a good way of saving money. It's a 10-pound bag. Normally around the holidays, they will have these. They used to have them like 39 cents per pound. You can get them for $3.90. Then it went up to 59 cents. It went up to $5.90. My last visit, I got this for $6.90. And it's 10 pounds. And that's a good way to save money. And what I'm doing today, I'm kind of breaking it down. And what I do is there's like 12 to 13 chicken legs in one of these bags. So I break it down into like five pieces of chicken per bag. And then today I'm going to cook these over here. And I'm going to, hubby wants some fried chicken, so I'm going to fry these right here. So I'm just breaking them down, cleaning it up, and hopefully, you can just, get some ideas. I know everyone knows, like this leg here, I'll clean up some of this. You get your gloves, and then with these thighs like this, they don't take the back out of it. So this is the back. So if you don't want to fry that, you can, just pop it open and let me cut that off. We got you a nice quarter. You can save this for stock. And then what I do is then cut down the, cut the drumstick off. Let's make this safer here. Gonna cut that drumstick. You got you a little thigh here, and you got your drumstick. I'm gonna cut that off. Then we're going to fry these up. So stay tuned. I'm going to finish this other one here. And we're going to go to the fryer. Make sure you keep your hands clean. Hot soapy water. And I like to do this around the sink to avoid cross-contamination. Just stay in this area. And then disinfect when you're done. So I'll come back in just a minute. Okay guys, I have one more left. I've taken the back out of these others. Like this is how, you take, when I fry the chicken, I don't need that back. If I was baking it, I would keep it in there. So like you go to the back area, you see the thigh bone here. And you can just kind of separate that with your hands, okay, and tear as much off as you can. If you can't, you get to this tendon right here. That's when you take your knife and cut it off. And then this goes into your stock bag, your chicken parts bag, because you're going to make soup. I like my soups, and I like my base to be chicken. Okay, so then that's a beautiful leg there, but then now I don't want this, when I fry it, I want the pieces small. So, and this knife is everything. I love this knife. It cuts through everything. Okay, so now I have my thighs here. I'm going to take this. See if you can see that. I normally wouldn't have it here, but This is a good angle for the camera, so take that out. Excess skin. I like to preserve as much of the skin as possible. All right. Remove any excess. And so that's all I'm going to fry today. Put this, all of this goes into my parts bag in the freezers. And then I'm going to freeze, put these back, broken these down. This is going back. This in the freezer. So I have chicken for like 2 more weeks. Okay guys, before I get to frying, I just wanted to show you, this is my chicken parts bag. You know, this is the back of the chicken I cleaned up today. This is from a whole chicken I did the other day. So that's just my my money saving tip is, you know, don't throw away anything. If you spent your money on, you can find different uses for it. That's how we have comfort food. When I was a caterer, I was more of a comfort food caterer. You know, we created a nice ambiance and did everything exquisitely, but the food was just very comforting, and that's what my forte was. So, and most recipes start with a good stock. You need a good base. Okay, so I'm going to get the frying station going, and we're going to fry up some of this. Okay guys, I have the chicken lightly seasoned in Creole seasoning, and I have some garlic, and I have a bag of flour. This is my special blend that I use to coat my chicken. So I'm going to go on and put a couple of pieces in here. Seal it up. Coat it really well. I have the oil cooking. You can see that it's not quite hot enough. So I'm going to come back when I put everything in the, just do this. And when I come back, I'll put the chicken in, and we're going to fry it and finish it up. And I'm sorry if the audio is bad. This is a new device, and the audio on this device isn't the greatest. So, and this was a very impromptu video, so I didn't put my microphone on. So, but I hope you can get something out of this. So I'll be right back.